Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I am cleaning out our guest room and I did redecorate it as well. It becomes a storage room in my house when we're not in the season of having guests. As you can see, I had gotten a bunch of new Christmas decor and just some things, and that's where it ends up. So I was cleaning all of that out, putting everything where it needs to go, and then I totally made over like the bedding, the curtains, and everything, and then I decorated it for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll try and let you know where I got everything. So yep, let's just get started.
Time almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
So I'm showing you the bedding that I went with. I went with the Pioneer Woman collection. This is the Breezy Dot comforter set, comes with the shams and the comforter, and then I got some curtains from her, as well as just a generic bed skirt. A lot of people are probably going to be mad at me because I chose white. It is kind of the thing to do white. A lot of people are doing white, and I understand that's not everyone's thing. I didn't do it because that's what's in. I did it because it's what I wanted to do. I thought that it was really pretty. I like that it's white and I can change out other things in the room really easily throughout the year and just change it up, like on a budget or for the season or whatever, and then the bedding is just neutral. I think it's really cozy and clean, and I just liked it. So don't be mad at me because I chose white, but I really did like this set. It's really comfortable and pretty.
Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree.
So I got this lampshade at Kirkland's last year, and then I got the little sign for the Wi-Fi password at Hobby Lobby.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. All this time away from you, an infinity, wanting to be close to you.
So I got this buffalo check banner from the dollar spot at Target, I believe last year, and then I got this Christmas banner from Kirkland's. Now I'm gonna have a lot of people with OCD mad at me because that C, I just didn't get it straight. I don't know, I just didn't see it. When I'm watching the footage back, it drives me crazy too, honestly. So don't hate me, but the C is crooked. What can you do? I also got some new sheets. We were overdue for some new sheets in there. Anyways, I got some flannel ones. They just have a slight like striped pattern to them. I think I got those at Walmart too, and they were around 20 bucks. They're really soft though.
I'll show you the reason why we are meant to forever stay true. is growing strong. I wish I had the perfect words to tell you how I feel. Instead, I'm gonna give you all the wishes of my dream. When Christmas is over,
I got these pillowcase covers on Amazon last year. I believe they're in my Amazon store, so check there. But if they're not, you can just search in Christmas pillows and they'll show up on Amazon there. But I'm pretty sure I have them in my Amazon store.
the reason why we are meant to forever stay true.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know
So this is how it turned out. I think it's really cute and our guests loved it. I got the throw on the bed from Walmart last year. The little pillows in the rocking chair are from the Target dollar spot last year. And let's see, I think I got that pillow in the Target dollar spot as well. And then I put a little Christmas tree that I got from Target last year, and the lights aren't really that cute on it right now, so forgive me. I didn't spend a whole lot of time trying to make those look nice. That is not my area of expertise, but I do love how it turned out. It's so pretty, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time.
Summer ended, but we did not. We started something. This thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together. On the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's through this part of the year we have something in store. For us, we're falling in love. Hey. Take. Walking around, you and me. The Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in a heart.